Do you guys pick people up at their house?
We do. Yep. So
Do
we
you
provide.
go in and get a, I mean, do you go if a family wants you to go in and get them or get them dressed? I mean, do you go, how far do you go to get people to you in home?
Yes. So I mean, ideally, like they've gotten them ready for the day. So like, but we'll come to that front door, help that person walk out. The hard part is I would love for it if our team could go and get everyone ready and stuff like that. But it's just the sheer time, like of
Oh yeah.
like because we're not just picking up one person at a time. We're
Yeah.
picking up a route. So it's like we're
Plus,
trying to get yeah we're trying we don't want people to be stuck on the bus for more than an hour. So it's
right.
like. So it's so ideally we're coming in, we're helping that person maybe from their front door, walking them to the van, helping them get in, get their walker maybe in the back, or however they might need to get loaded, and make sure that's all done safely. And same thing like on the way home, like we're walking them back to the front door. If depends on like can they get it? Are they going home alone? Is there a loved one there? Like just depends on the situation. But it's not like Uber. Like all right, see ya. Like,
Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.